Hey there. Habit trackers usually fail because logging becomes its own chore. This one is a tick a day, and the spreadsheet does the counting, the streaks, and the year end summary for you. Let me walk you through it. Habit setup is where you name your habits once. Each one gets a category, an importance rating, and a daily target. And every month, tab pulls from this list so you never retype them. Then there's a tab for each month. Here's July. Your habits down the side, the days across the top, and you tick as you go. Done percentage, current streak, and best streak calculate themselves at the end of each row. The other 11 months work exactly the same way, same layout, same formulas. So once you've seen one, you've seen them all. The annual overview is the heat map. Every day of the year across all 12 months in one grid, which is where you actually see the patterns. The good stretch in spring, the month everything fell apart. The streak dashboard ranks your habits, total days done, completion rate, and monthly average per habit, so you can tell which ones have genuinely stuck and which you've been pretending about. The goal tracker handles the bigger things. Read 24 books, save $5,000, with progress by quarter and a total, so annual goals get checked more than twice a year. And year in review pulls the headline statistics. Overall completion rate, your best month, and how many habits you tracked. That's the habit and goal tracker. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.